Forgiveness, honoring all as the life force. Forgiveness breathing is Ujjayi, ocean sounding breath. Ujjayi is breathing in and out through the nostrils, creating a subtle humming sound in the back of the throat. So find a comfortable position, relaxing deeply, and begin inhaling and exhaling through the nostrils. Just find your perfect rhythm. The inhale is analogous to the rise of an ocean tide, and the exhale to the fall of the tide. This breath naturally heats and warms the body, and it assists us in developing more control and lengthening our breath. These repetitious, whispering hums open our heart to the ocean of infinity. And imagine and experience the heat. You may be aware of the ocean, like listening into a shell, hearing that ocean tide rise and fall inside yourself. And then just relaxing, noticing the effects of ocean sounding breath. Forgiveness meditation. Tonglen, giving and receiving. Tonglen is the practice of sending and taking. It is a compassion and forgiveness practice, using the life force as a passageway into our all-understanding heart. Bring to mind an issue that you are challenged by. Acknowledge this issue and accept it by breathing it into your heart. Retain the breath, allowing the issue to deepen in your spacious heart. As you exhale, have the intent the issue be fully liberated. As you release the breath, you are blessing and liberating the issue. And continue with each breath, bringing in the issue that you're challenged by. Retain it into your heart. Let the heart encompass the issue. And as you exhale, intend that the issue be blessed and liberated. Now do the process for all beings. Breathe into your heart the same issue or a like issue or any issue that others are challenged by. Breathe it in and seed it into your compassionate heart, and then release the issue with your exhale, with the intent that all beings everywhere be liberated from this suffering. And continue breathing in issues that may challenge others. Hold it in your heart with compassion and exhale. Extend your wish that the challenges be fully liberated. Coming back to your heart and just feeling the giving and receiving, the sending and the taking, the compassion in your heart.